Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make one of my family's comfort food, which is fried meatball. So let's quickly take a look at the ingredients. So very quickly, I have approximately 250 grams of minced meat, some prawn paste, maybe about 100 grams of prawn paste, 1 egg. This is soda crackers, soda crackers crushed, minced carrot, minced jicama, or you can use water chestnut, then minced garlic, shallot, ginger, and some coriander roots. And I have some, this is one of the condiment, 13 spice powder. You can put in 5 spice powder as well. Then after that, these are the condiment or the sauce or seasoning I'm going to put in the meatball. I have some fried garlic and fried garlic oil, and you can use sesame oil to replace. I have some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, a bit of oyster sauce, premium Vietnamese fish sauce. I use fish sauce instead of light soy sauce because I don't want my color to become too dark, right? Then Shaoxing wine, white pepper, salt, and also cornstarch. All right, so get ready a mixing bowl. First of all, let's put in the meat paste, prawn paste, the fresh herbs, put everything in. Then let me try to mix them up first. We haven't seasoned it yet, yeah? Okay, just roughly. All right, we spread them up a bit. Now we can start add in the seasoning. Few dashes of premium fish sauce. But you can just use salt only, no problem. Yeah, I'll be adding in a little bit of salt anyway. Fine salt. Few dashes of white pepper. A bit of oyster sauce, not too much. 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Those interested can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. To give it a bit of Shaoxing wine, maybe 2-3 cups. And also crack an egg to help to combine everything together. I love to add in some garlic oil and fried garlic. More for the oil, yeah? Use any flavored oil. About 1 teaspoon of the 13 spice powder or 5 spice powder. So now let's try to mix everything together. Because I added the soda crackers, so it's going to be a little bit drier, yeah? Right, next thing, I'm going to put in some cornstarch. This will help everything to stick together. Most of the time, I only use meat. Today I mix meat with some prawn, yeah, seafood. There's no rules in Appa's kitchen. That's the best part of home cooking. Always try to be creative. All right, make sure everything is nicely mixed, evenly mixed. Now, if you are not sure whether is it salty enough, what you can do is you can take out a little bit and put it under the cook it under microwave, and then taste it. Then you will know whether it's salty or not. You don't want it to be too watery. Huh? If it's too watery, you cannot stay in shape for one round ping pong shape later. This is good enough. Appa is having flu. A lot of people having flu recently. Flu season. Right. Once everything is nicely mixed, I'm going to close this with a lid, put it inside the refrigerator, put in the fridge for minimum 2 hours. And this step you cannot skip, seriously. You need to leave it inside the fridge for at least 2 hours for it to marinate, for the flavor to really absorbed by the meat itself. So after about 2 hours in the fridge, I took it out and I used a spoon to help me to make those meat paste into meatballs like this. After which I'm going to fry it. I have some leftover where I'm going to keep it for tomorrow just to make some stuffed tofu. So I make one dish that I can actually cook for 2 days. Right, we can now fry the meatball. Put in some oil and heat it up to about 130 to 150 degrees Celsius. With some slow sizzling on the chopstick, that's good enough. We don't need it to be too high heat. Let's put in the meatball. See, now you know the order of which to flip over. Let me double check the focus. This is after another 2 minutes. So this is coming to about 5 minutes now. We start to get the crispiness from the meatball. As you can see, it doesn't turn dark too easily because Appa purposely did not put light soy sauce. If I put light soy sauce, it will become dark by now. And very dark. I like dark color, but don't get dark too quick, yeah? Right, I think I'll probably give it another about 2-3 minutes, then it should be ready by then. So this is now coming to approximately 7 minutes. Let me move the meatball around a bit so that they are more evenly fried. They are basically almost done. I just want to get the kind of brown color that I'm looking for right now, yeah? Do I want to do double fry? Let's do a double fry then. Long time I never do double fry. So I'm going to take it out now and I'll do a double fry shortly. All right, can you see? All this already looks really good. So do I want to make it even crispier? Let me do a very quick double fry, probably just 5-10 seconds. Right, so we have our hot oil here. And let me put it in. Double fry for about a few seconds. Just to make it crispy. And now I'm going to take it out. And put everything onto an oil absorbing paper. See how beautiful it is, right? Let me quickly serve. Right, so here's my deep fried meatball. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.